The video begins with a light, upbeat corporate background, music setting a positive tone. The screen transitions to a vibrant animated text overlay. 5 ways to make money online in 2025. Tip 1. Freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr. The video cuts to stock footage of people at home, focused on their laptops. A woman smiles as she uploads her profile on Upwork. A young man types energetically, responding to a Fiverr request. The voiceover explains how platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow individuals to offer skills such as graphic design, writing, and virtual assistants. Tip 2. Affiliate marketing. The scene transitions to stock footage of a person analyzing website traffic on a computer. The video shows snippets of an online checkout process. The voiceover explains affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique links, earning commissions with each sale. Tip 3. Online courses. In this scene, diverse stock footage shows people of different backgrounds engaging in online classes. A woman records herself presenting a course. A man reviews notes on a tablet. The voiceover discusses creating and selling courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Tip 4. Print on demand. The footage shifts to stacks of printed t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. An individual sits with designs on a tablet, finalizing prints. The voiceover highlights how print on demand sidesteps the need for inventory, allowing creativity to soar through platforms like Printful. Tip 5. Subscription-based models. The video shows stock footage of apps on smartphones and attentive individuals watching webinars. The background music continues to maintain an uplifting rhythm. The voiceover explains how subscription models, such as exclusive content access on Patreon or continuous education sites, provide monthly income. The video concludes with dynamic text on screen, encouraging the audience. Start making money today, as upbeat music fades out and the screen transitions to a call to action. Subscribe for more tips. The screen finally fades to black.